It's Scott from Hobby King with the Eagle 3D. This looks probably quite familiar. It's old time, old school 3D. It's glow or electric, which is kind of neat, to be perfectly honest. It's quite impressive because obviously we just don't have enough glow stuff like this at the moment at all. Wingspan's 1460mm, plug-in wing, huge wing section, huge long fuselage, flat-sided, so basically great 3D tool, great sort of, particularly if you're beginning 3D and so on and so forth. It's going to be cheap as chips, but it is really, really nicely made. Very, very nicely made indeed. So, please keep an eye out for it soon on Hobby King, and of course please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers.